2025. It could be an unsuccessful year for you. It could be, if you allow your focus to scatter, if you keep jumping from one goal to another without honing in on just one. Let's face it, in a world where information bombards us every second and opportunities seem endless, it's easy to lose focus. We start something, abandon it, begin something new, then put it off again. And so the years go by. But what if I told you the secret to success isn't the amount of effort, but its concentration? Scientific studies show that people who can focus on one task achieve more. For example, neuroscientists discovered that the human brain can only process a limited amount of information at once. When we try to multitask, our efficiency drops by as much as 40%. Your energy is scattered, and your progress slows down. Now imagine you set one goal for yourself. One goal, and you're completely absorbed in it, inspired by it. You move forward despite setbacks, despite failures that, no doubt, will come your way. It won't be easy, but step by step, you'll make progress. And each step will bring you closer to the top. There's an incredible observation. The most successful people in the world, whether they're scientists, athletes, or entrepreneurs, always highlight one thing that set them apart: their ability to focus on a single goal and not get distracted by secondary tasks. Think about those who have inspired you in life. Their success wasn't random. They didn't chase every trend, didn't switch goals every month. They believed in their one goal and kept moving toward it. You can do this too. All you need is to choose one goal and focus on it. Make it your one priority for 2025. And even when the road gets tough, you'll keep going, because you know success comes to those who can focus. You won't be a failure. You'll be the one who wins, because you won't give up and you won't waste your energy. The world will look at you, and you'll be proud that, despite everything, you chose your goal and reached it. Anything is possible. 2025 can be your year, but only if you believe in your strength and focus on what truly matters.